Welcome to Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme with Leona Dooley. And today is another day of Vlogmas. Now, we've worked on the bay window, we've worked and gotten it all finished, we've done a kitchen vignette that was absolutely gorgeous. And now, what we're going to do is to work on our centerpiece for the kitchen table. My bird cage goes in the center of that table, and it's rather substantial. So because of that, I have to be a little bit careful about what I put on it and in it, but it's going to be gorgeous. So let's get started on that. I've been using tartan red plaid throughout the kitchen, and so needless to say, the Birdcage is going to have tartan red plaid on it as well. But I want to give it a little something special. So let's see what we can do. First, we're going to start with the lights. Now, I use little round bulbs, and they are so cute. They look like little teeny tiny ornaments. And now it's time to add a little extra bling. Let's see what we can do. I've taken a piece of garland and I've attached some ornaments to it, as well as some snowflakes and just a tiny bit of gingerbread. So it has a little bit of everything from all parts of the kitchen. So that's going to be good. But you know what? We haven't added the tartan red plaid. We have the bow. And if you remember from the tree that's right off to the side, I included this red and green ribbon. So I thought I would tuck that in as well and give that the background, and then add the tartan red, which also has green, right here in the center, and kept the tails just a little bit long because it's going to add more drama. Now, let's see what else we can do. I have these little snowmen. I have a few of them, so I'm just going to tuck these around, and I think I may even add a little bit of snow. I am so excited to show this bird cage to you. You can see the little poinsettias that I've used in other spots in the kitchen, particularly the kitchen vignette. Aren't they cute? Those little peppermint poinsettias. You can see the stars are there that I got the other day when I was at the store. And of course more poinsettias as well over on the other side. Now, let's bring you down. We have our little snowman, and he says, "Let it snow." And each of the little snowmen have different hats on. So they each have a different look. I'll try to take you around since it is round. But I have it plugged in, so because of that I can't really move it at this point. Lots of pine cones that have fallen from the trees. Our little snowman here has a little hat similar to mine. Another poinsettia. Here's our little gingerbread cookie with a snowman. And of course, more pine cones, more snow. Very wintry. I think with very little change, we're going to be able to keep this bird cage right here through the winter season. You can see where my cord is, but once I take the tablecloth off, I left the tablecloth because this is a glass table and I didn't want it to scratch. But once I take that off, then and put the placemats in, you won't even see the cord. That's lighting the little lamps. So let me turn the light out. And there we are. stars, lighting our swag. Our little snowman. We're gonna let it snow. Well, this Christmas elf is not quite finished. I've got a few more things that I'm going to be doing right here in this kitchen. And you know, there's going to be more cooking. We've got some cookies to bake. We've got some cakes to make. And we just have general weeknight food that needs to be taken care of. And I'm going to take you right along. And I hope you're right here in my kitchen. So, don't fail to check out VLOGmas because it's going to be full of an awful lot of fun.